medyo nabago na. Malaki na yung changes. So, here, meron tayong mga cladding there. Sa side na to, at saka sa side na yun, at saka sa side na to. Ayan na siya. And this is the railings. Diba, guys? Ganda na, no? Here's the balcony. Tapos, ito naman yung harap ng bahay. Although, magulo pa rin kasi still under renovation pa rin tayo. Hindi pa tayo natatapos. Pag finishing kasi medyo tumatagal talaga. So, yun yung ating gate. And, ayan, meron nakakuha na tayo ng dining set natin. Meron na rin tayo mga nakakabit na mga aluminum cabinets. Nakabit na rin yung ating sink. Yung ating built-in gas stove. Yung ating range hood. Meron na rin tayong microwave, and nakabili na rin tayo ng fridge, and nandito yung ating TV. So, yan yung part na living area. So, nagpakabit tayo dyan ng fluted panels na meron ding PVC ceiling panels. And yung ating stairs, meron na yung planks. Then, here's our bar counter. Nalagyan din natin ng fluted panel tong side na yan. And then, yung kisame. So, there. Going outside there, yun yung garage natin. Tapos, guys, dito naman yung ating service area. Kung saan pwede tayo magluto, maglaba, and open area din yan para sa ventilation. So, there you go. Akyat tayo, ha? So, pinalagyan ko rin siya ng wood railings para maganda yung kapit. Here's the second floor. So, bili rin tayo ng lights. Here's the first bedroom here sa second floor. There's common toilet inside there. Kaya lang medyo magulo pa. So, naman ang pansin yan. And we have a hallway here going to terrace din. Extension of the terrace here. Pupunta doon sa ating main terrace and balcony. So, here is the master bedroom. Na may pa dapat gawin. Still unfinished. But, lapit na tayong matapos. Here is the master toilet. Guys. Meron tayong niche there. Shower natin. Mapapansin niyo meron tayong fan sa loob ng ating toilet. Just because dyan ako mag-aayos, so I need a fan para ma-refresh ako. Although meron naman tayo ding bintana dyan for natural ventilation. And here, we have a separate room para sa ating toilet bowl. There. So, let's continue. Dito naman tayo sa ating small balcony. Meron na tayong small sofa here na pang outdoor. So, there. Hi! So, let's go upstairs sa ating 3rd floor. So, ayun, ginagawa pa din until now. So, look at our chandelier. Chandelier. Tapos ito yung another bedroom here. Sa 3rd floor. I think this is going to be my mom's bedroom. Although nasa 3rd floor, pero gusto niya. She wants to stay here. And still natural lighting and air. And here, meron tayong another room here. Actually, this is considered to be like pet room para sa mga alagang pusa ng mom ko. Meron sila dyang area na pwede sila mag-poop and pee. And meron pa tayo ditong another open air para naman presko ang ating so may tiles na rin yan, pero papalagyan pa natin ng buko. We're still not finished here. So ayun guys, na-tour ko na kayo dito sa bahay and hopefully